Are you looking for the lake life? If you're looking for a city close to a lake with great shopping, dining, and wonderful neighborhoods to choose from, then Rockwall, Texas may be the choice for you. Hello, my name is Dana Pollard and I'm a real estate agent in Texas. In my team, we help you narrow down where to live in this vast state. So if you're looking to buy a home in Texas, fill out my Dream Home questionnaire below to schedule a one-on-one consultation to help you narrow down or find that perfect home in Texas. And if you're looking to sell a home in Texas, fill out my Sell My Home questionnaire to schedule a one-on-one consultation with me to sell your home. Rockwall, Texas is one of my favorite cities in the Dallas-Fort Worth area. It's located just 30 minutes from downtown Dallas, and it just has wonderful, it just offers so many good things. It's across the beautiful Lake Ray Hubbard. And this lake, it's huge, like 22,000 acres huge, and it's popular for boating, kayaking, windsurfing, and fishing. Anglers love it for its bass and catfish. Because we're in Texas, you have to have catfish here. The Shoreline Shopping and Dining District, it's called the Harbor, and it offers something for everyone. In fact, they hold many community events on the Harbor, and it's truly a premier entertainment destination in the Dallas area. The sunsets, they are breathtaking. If you've got a boat, you can head over to the dock, tie up, and enjoy a fun evening. There's even a movie theater and a splash pad for the kids. And a cute little lighthouse. And not too far is the historic downtown square, and it is very charming. We're in the old town square of Rockwall, Texas. Population's about 48,000, and it is growing. Besides the historic Art Deco courthouse, this square has many great eateries. These dining options are phenomenal, as well as boutique stores to go shopping at. We grabbed lunch at Zanata, which features Italian and Mediterranean inspired food. The pizza there is fabulous. Fluffy crust and plenty of cheese, which is my love. And oh my goodness, you have got to try the blue crab dip. Very, very tasty. We loved walking around, checking out the boutiques and galleries, and definitely this is a great, if you don't choose Rockwall as your city to live in, it's a great weekend getaway wherever you live in Texas. The city sponsors events monthly, mainly involving music. So Rockwall prides itself on being the free live music capital of North Texas. And free, it's always good. Now listen, many cities are named after people, but Rockwall is a little different in this regard. It's actually named off of an actual rock wall. These rock walls were found throughout the area. And scientists have studied the formations, and most believe it's a natural phenomena, but others think it could be from a civilization long ago. They're kind of formed rather, I kind of think they were created by humans, but you tell me what you think in the comments. Do you think this was a formation created by God or by people? And part of these stones have been moved to the County Historical Museum. The museum, it's full of period clothing and furnishings, and also has other buildings and a prairie restoration project. And oh, there's an outhouse. Most kids these days, they've never even seen an outhouse. Now, do you like to go outside and be active? Well, Rockwall has so many outdoor activities available for the family. Rockwall has great parks. In fact, 80% of all residents live within 1 mile of a city park. Now that is great planning. Now let's talk about schools. So Rockwall has great schools. In fact, they are ranked in the top 15 percentile 4 test scores in the entire state of Texas. So people love the schools here in Rockwall. There are 2 major high schools, 3 middle, and 15 elementary schools. So where should you live in Rockwall? Well, there's many great neighborhoods, including new homes. You can find, if you go a little south to Heath, Heath is a luxury community just south of Rockwall, and I have to mention it because one day I'll do a video on Heath, but it's kind of small. So I kind of like to lump Heath and Rockwall together. If you're looking for a luxury home on acreage, Heath might be your best option, and then you go hang out in Rockwall. But there's some luxury homes as well in Rockwall. But if you're looking for maybe, my favorite is one of these hilly neighborhoods near the lake. And so there are many opportunities for a lake view in Rockwall, Texas. And then again, you have the new neighborhoods. So you can start, I mean, you can get a home for $300,000 in Rockwall. It's not going to be lakefront view, but you can get a home in the 300s on up to $500,000-$600,000 is a good healthy budget for a brand new home. And then you can have, I mean, you can go on up to luxury homes and lakeview property. The median home price in Rockwall is $430,000, and you can get a condo on the lake for $150,000 or a 64-acre ranch for $3.9 million. Now, just down the street from downtown is Park Place. It's a picturesque development with Victorian, Prairie, Tudor, and Craftsman homes. Here, homes reflect early Texas architectural styles. And the good thing is they're still building new homes in this development. You can also find that modern contemporary style or that farmhouse look in Rockwall. I love the look of these homes in Whisper Rock. Rockwall is just a beautiful oasis community. Now, I would say there's one negative if you live in Rockwall or Heath, maybe even Fate, if you have to commute to Dallas, okay, is you will have to check traffic before leaving if you commute every day to Dallas, because if traffic gets backed up on the bridge, then you are going to want to find an alternative route. That is the one negative, is it is starting to get busy on that bridge in Rockwall. However, if you get to work from home, or maybe you don't have a daily commute, or you're not commuting during rush hour, Rockwall is one of my favorite cities. Are you looking to move up in Texas? Well, you may be saying, Dana, what's the next step? Well, hey, let's meet on Zoom. Whether it's a $200,000 home or a $20 million home, the next step is to fill out the appropriate questionnaire at danapollardgroup.com. When you fill out the Dream Home questionnaire, you will paint a picture for me and my team of what you want, both in a home as well as a community. Or if you have a house to sell in Texas, fill out the Sell My House questionnaire so you can learn about the exclusive benefits of listing with me. And after you share your favorite snack and push the submit button, an email will be sent to schedule your consultation call with one of my top amazing real estate experts. And you can also meet me on my Texas Tuesday Zoom call and ask me anything you like about moving up in Texas. This is a live call and attendance is limited, so go right now to danapollardgroup.com to get started.